Hello everyone, just inside Dollar Tree, and I'm starting to see some Christmas and fall items. Wanted to point out that they have a great, selection of the faux eyelashes. I know that they typically have Ione as well, and many of you love them. Some new Laura Ashley kits. Looks like lipstick and lip liner. They have some other things that I'm not familiar with, the brand names, but just thought I'd share with you what I'm seeing here today. If anyone has tried these little lipstick or lip glosses, let us know what you think. There's so many new things here I have not seen before. This one looks nice too. I like the packaging. I don't know the quality. Of course, they have e.l.f. products. Sometimes they have a lot of e.l.f. products. This here today only has the foundation, it looks like. Eyelash cases, which are cute. And lots of nails. I know some of you love seeing the faux nails or the different options and colors. Lots of fun selection here. Oh, I really like this kit here because it has a nice selection and also a whole bunch of them opposed to the smaller kits. Some years the flip-flops sell really well and some years they don't, and I think it depends on the quality of how they've been made. If anyone is having a luau party, oh, look at these flamingos, so cute, and they light up. There's a little switch on them. I'm not sure if they float around. They'd be fun if they float in the pool. And they have a few of the staked flamingos, which are great for parties or, front lawn decorations. Lots of tumblers. They're all plastic, of course. This is the first time I'm ever seeing these items. Looks like hair care packets with some sort of infused oil. And then they have the LOreal color kits. Lots of different colors. Again, I'm not sure if these, have a good pigment. Maybe somebody's tried them, but it looks like it'd be fun for summer if they're not permanent. Maybe the kiddos would appreciate playing around with that. Oh, cute little kits. They almost look like they're still from Mother's Day, or they were delayed. How cute are these first aid kits? They come in a metal tin and they have a variety of colors and themes. I just think they're really cute, and you can repurpose them, of course. But just perfect for a camping bag or even a kid's summer camp backpack. Good to have things sometimes. If they're a little older, maybe the younger ones would have, reach out for a Band-Aid from one of the camp leaders, but they have a whole bunch of new things here as well. I normally see some individual packs, but 2 in a pack is pretty good. These are newer too. I just don't know. Oh, here's some Nivea. I see the Yardley. Oh, check out the Axe. And some other Yardley, and they have the lavender. These are new bottles. I've never seen these before. Not sure what the quality is like on them. Oh, these are new as well. See, it's always interesting. You find new things all the time. My daughter has one of these makeup reusable wipes. I think that's what you would call it. She plays with makeup sometimes, but then she washes it off, of course, and it works really well. These are new. Blender sponge holders. Oh my gosh, too cute. What else is here? Lots of chapstick or, lip sol. These are a little bit smaller than the standard size. Lots of Decor products, and they're really nice and big. They're not a small, tiny travel size. This is another brand. Looks like it's part of the shaving collection. Some people might know what their true value is, but these are travel size. Perfect. Olay, Pantene. There's, of course, your toothpaste. My daughter makes slime. I gotta grab some shaving foam. These are nice and big, actually, for slime making. These are such cute sleeping masks. There's a smooth side and then there's a fuzzy side. How fun are they? And then they have your simple ones. They actually have earplugs too, so I guess for travel. And cute pink ones with the black side. I like that they're kind of a double layered. Lots of face masks and such here. These are new, aren't they? The washing loofah type. I like this. Exfoliating washcloth. These are great in your craft room as well if you're spreading different type of mediums. It's really great for paint and all sorts of stuff. And they have different colors, super cute. I like that it has the two different ends. So one flat and one rounded. Some blending brushes. There's bath bombs here. Check these out. You can use them as well as pen holders. You can just repurpose them. They don't have to be used for makeup items. Some more Biore. Again, like full-size pouches. I'm not sure what you would pay for them at Walmart, for example. I love these. I'm wondering if they would hold pens in my bag. Sometimes I don't like having a loose pen just because if it breaks open, it ruins the inside of your purse. These are all same law line. Again, I don't know what the true value is on them. I've never seen them anywhere else. Look at this. This I know is expensive somewhere else because it's got that glowing tan stuff in it. It looks like it's from Easter, but probably still great to drink. There's tea here. Well, there's a couple different varieties. Has anyone tried them? They're cute packaging. It's made by the Dollar Tree tea I normally see here. How cute are these stickers? They're jumbo stickers and they're also shaker stickers. But sometimes I make and it takes quite a bit of effort. So I really appreciate that they have these really cute shaker stickers here. Look at this one. I love it. So many nice colors. I want to see if these pens, about, the average size pen, if they fit in this little organizer. It looks like it would, right? Or do you think it's going to be a little too big? Maybe some pens without the clip on the top. Just more of a cap size one. Oh, these are cute. Like a traveler's notebook. How? If it had blank pages, it would be coming home with me. It's too bad that they're lined. So perfect. You can change the inside too to have more like a bullet journal style. Anyways, they're pretty customizable if you like the outer shell. And then they have these like notes, grocery lists, to-do lists. Who still functions off of paper? Or do you do everything digital? Oh, I think I'm gonna try these. I like colors. Wonder if these would fit in there. They're typically the size of my pens. I don't know. Okay, I like these colors anyway, so I'll be grabbing a pack. Has anyone tried these? It's like a 3D texture on the page, and they have a couple colors. I think I've seen green before as well, but there's purple and blue. So I was in Dollar Tree for quite some time and have quite a bit more footage to share with you from the store. I will upload that tomorrow. I hope you enjoyed walking through the store with me today, and until next time, everyone, bye for now.